Hello everyone, you're welcome to the topic subtracting polynomials. We talked about polynomials the other time, that polynomials are a combination of terms. So they're a combination of terms. And we say terms are mathematical expressions made up of numbers and variable parts. So an example is number and variable parts. Another example is number and variable parts, and the variable parts can be a combination of variables. So for example, this. And so today we are looking at solving polynomials by subtraction. For example, we are asked to subtract two polynomials. Let's see, we're given this question. Subtract this polynomial from the other one. So we need to be able to solve that, So subtract this polynomial from this second polynomial. So how do we do that? So the way we do this is, one, to open out the brackets. Yeah, so how do we open out the brackets? For this first bracket, we just write out the same expression. And for the second bracket, we need to be able to multiply the negative by each term in the second bracket. And there's the rule in math that says negative multiplied by negative equals positive. Negative multiplied by positive equals negative. Positive multiplied by negative equals negative. Positive multiplied by positive equals positive. So that's what we'll be using here to expand out this second bracket, to simplify this second bracket. So negative multiplied by plus 3. So we said negative multiplied by plus will give us negative. So that will be negative 3x cubed. The negative multiplied by negative, we said here, negative multiplied by negative is positive. So that will be plus 2x squared. The negative multiplied by plus 3x will be negative 3x, and negative multiplied by plus 7 will be negative 7. So this is what we've gotten by expanding the second bracket, and now we need to get like terms together, bring like terms together. So how do we do that? By looking at the variables, and their power. The ones with a similar power are those that will group together. So I'll be using strokes to identify them. So x cubed is the highest order that we have, or highest power that we have. So it's 2x cubed, so this will go together. X squared here and x squared here will go together. X here and x here will go together, and our constants will be grouped together. So let's see. Okay, so and that grouping them together will be 4x cubed, the minus 3x cubed. Don't forget the sign in front of the term, in front of the number. Then plus 7x squared here, then plus 2x squared, plus 2x squared, then plus 5x, then minus 3x, then minus 9, and minus 7. So we've grouped like terms together. We now need to simplify further. So simplifying further means we need to either add or subtract depending on the sign in front of the numbers in each term of like terms. We need to simplify them. So here, these are like terms. This 4x cubed minus 3x cubed are like terms. So 4 minus 3 here is 1. So, and that will be 1x cubed. So we just put the variable by the side of whatever we get from subtracting the coefficient, which is the 4 and the minus 3. And then plus 7 plus 2 will be plus 9. So plus 9x squared. And plus 5 minus 3 will be plus 2x. And minus 9 minus 7 is minus 16. So, well, some people, I don't just like putting the 1 in front of my variable. So I just write it, it's the same thing as x cubed plus 9x squared plus 2x minus 16. And this is the answer. So let's look at one more question. So another example they gave us here is 5x cubed 5x raised to power 4 plus 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. So we should subtract it from 2x raised to power 4 minus 5x cubed minus 6x squared plus 9x minus 3. So that's what they gave us. So as we said, we need to expand out the brackets. So for the first bracket, we just write out what we have. Plus 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. And for the second one, we need to expand out. We need to multiply with the negative. The negative sign will multiply each term. And it's multiplying the number in front of the variables for each term. So the number can be a positive number or a negative number. So negative times positive 2x will be negative 2x raised to the power 4 from what we saw earlier on. Negative multiplying negative 5x will be positive 5x cubed. Negative multiplying negative 6x squared will be positive 6x squared. Negative multiplied by positive 9x will be negative 9x. Negative multiplied by negative 3 will be positive 3. So we need to identify like terms. So x raised to the power 4 is the highest power. So these are like terms. We have two of them of x raised to the power 4. X raised to the power 3, we have two of them as well. Two times with x raised to the power 3. Then x raised to the power 2, we have two of them as well, two separate terms with x raised to the power 2. And then x raised to the power 1, x raised to the power 1, we have one of it here, and we have one of it here. Then the constant, we have two. I'm putting just two signs here, just to identify. So I've been able to group them. So I will just use as I've grouped them using the strokes, I will now bring like terms together. So that will be 5x raised to the power 4, then minus 2x raised to the power 4 plus 3x cubed, then plus 5x cubed, then plus 2x squared, then plus 6x squared, then minus 5x, then minus 9x, then plus 6 and plus 3. So we now simplify. So 5 minus 2 That's 3 x raised to the power 4. 3 plus 5 is plus 8 x cubed. 2 plus 6 is plus 8 x squared. Minus 5 minus 9, it's minus 14x. And plus 6 plus 9, that will be plus, so plus 6 plus 3, that will be plus 9. So this is our answer. I hope you enjoyed the class and looking forward to seeing you in the next class. Thank you.